Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm at Anfield. People have asked me to get some footage of the pitch getting laid, so I'm going to get some footage of that today. Yeah, loads of people let me know that pitch is getting laid today, so I'll get some footage and have a little look around. Apparently the seats are getting done as well. It's looking green already, isn't it? Is it already done? Right, so let's go a little bit closer. I don't want to get too close. The pitch is down. Okay, let's get a little bit higher and have a good look. Yeah, the pitch is laid. Completely laid. No, it's not, is it? What's that down there? Let's have a look. Sorry about that. So that's to switch cameras. You have to go offline and switch cameras, just so I can get a bit of a closer look. Yeah, so it's all down, and the tractors are obviously doing their bits to make sure that everything's okay there. So yeah, it's all down. Nothing to report there. Must have got it all laid yesterday. Let's have a look at these seats. So as you can see, in the height of summer, these seats are out to the elements, and it looks like they're getting blowtorched because they're completely red. Who's he there? Right, that's no one. So yeah, these are completely, well, them ones are completely red on the left, and these ones are a bit faded on the right. See, the backs are completely faded. So they should be getting the blowtorch treatment. Yeah, the pitch is looking great. Obviously no markings yet, but have a good close look at it. One thing I don't want to do is get any workers on or anything like that. I just want to get me footage and get home, basically. It's not the expansion anymore, is it? What I will do, I'll get to my maximum height. So I'm at 1.
Max altitude reached.
Yeah, I'm at 118. And we'll have a little fly over the Diogo Jota memorials left by the fans. It's yeah, it's really sad. It really is. It's knocked me for 6, if I'm being honest. I know there's a mural going up on Walton Road that I'm going to take a look at tonight. So it won't be on this video, but it might be on tomorrow's video. So I'm not going to zoom in on this. I don't want to get anyone recognisable in. I just want to show you what it looks like from the air. It's mind-blowing, you know, the effect that someone that you don't know personally has on you. Look at it all. Honest, it is mind-blowing. The love that the fans have for this lad. I'm never going to speak of him in the past tense. And it's too hard for me to do. We'll get a top down look at it. And that's how it's looking from the air, guys. You know, Liverpool have announced that they're going to be doing something for him and his brother during Liverpool's game at Preston, which I can't wait to see. That's going to be on ITV, I think. Yeah, I can't wait to see it. There's not much else to show you. I haven't done this for a while, as you can tell. To be fair, I don't like flying my drone anymore because the fun's been taken out of it. After what happened to Mr. Drone, it's, you know, it's not good what happened to him. We are very responsible drone flyers, and there's a lot that aren't responsible. And you know, even when the concerts were on, we were, you know, we didn't fly in the restricted zones. We didn't fly on in the areas where you weren't to fly on at night, and loads of other drone flyers did, you know, but obviously they didn't get punished for it. Mr. Drone got punished like for you know, nothing really. It is what it is, and it's just taken all the fun away for me. I used to enjoy flying the drone, but now I don't. It's just, yeah, it's one of them. Right, so there we go on that one, guys. If there's anything that you want to see, get in touch and let me know with the drone. It doesn't have to be Liverpool related, just anything really that you think would look good from the air. On my channel now, people, you know, I've seen that I do more vlogging and public interest videos and, you know, history stuff. I'm trying to expand the channel as best I can to involve everyone. I started off flying over Anfield, and that's what, you know, took my channel off for me. So I'll never shy away from the football stuff, but you know, the fun has really been taken out of it for me. Oh, it looks like they're putting the last of the grass down somewhere there. Okay. Right guys, I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, it means so much to me, it really does. And I will see you again soon. Thanks for watching, bye now.